Tekpan has been established in 1976 in İzmir from Mr. Davut Yanık, who is still the chairman of the board of directors, and from Mr. Ahmet Yanık, who is still the general manager of the company. Since the time of Tekpan establishment, Tekpan company policy along customer satisfaction and constant improvement, where it is filling up the customer requirements and expectations in domestic and as well as foreign markets with the latest technology of production lines based on 8,000 square meter. 100% Turkish capitalized Tekpan is proud to have a production according to worldwide standards and as well as to supply lots of institutes and corporations with energy transfer solutions. With its wide well-educated engineer team, the R&D department is using the latest technological highlights along to have a production efficiency on competition and with innovative remarks to make designs where it will fill up the expectations for the existing, also for new solutions. The main target of planning department is to have a planning for the most preferred production time schedule and also for the optimum production process for domestic as well as for foreign market orders, while the end target will be to dispatch on time. In this part of production, the total parts and components of product range in 2D CAM or product range, which should be designed with 3D CAD programs, has been prepared for CNC machines accordingly in this section. The production orders which has been given from programming department will be punched in the latest CNC machines without any human slip. All parts are produced in production line with computer-supported CNC machines for cutting and cut-out implementations. All the parts which became flat surfaced are bended with laser-controlled bending machines and will be ready for welding process. All the parts which should be forwarded for welding process are welded according to specifications depending on the product. The semi-finished steel parts are in the stage of painting process and forwarded to automatic belt conveyor painting line. The steel parts which are bottomed with oil and dust will be treated with pressurized system along passivation. The steel parts which are finished the passivation phase are now subject to iron phosphating phase before painting process along the automatic belt conveyor painting line. The steel parts which have completed the iron phosphating phase are now subject to be painted with electrostatic powder paint in a full automatic robot painting system. The steel parts which are painted with electrostatic powder paint will be forwarded to oven in conveyor belt system with a degree of 180–200 Celsius. Accordingly, the parts will be forwarded to painting quality control. The steel parts which pass the painting quality control are forwarded to polyurethane sealing gasket phase, where the steel parts will be sealed with gasket in order to have the expected IP degree. The assembling line according to domestic and foreign orders are assembling and packaging along the required products or disassembling in order to be ready for dispatching. Tekpan, with its domestic capital organization, is proud to represent Turkish products and solutions with international standards production, along with its sales channels in domestic market as well as in global market. Tekpan, thanks to its experience and well-educated employees, will give its power to work and serve for solutions along the market expectations to its customers.